we are here with a funny drawing. Three little animals that came from the forest are hiding behind my drawing notebook. First, we will draw a little crocodile. Then, we will move on to a cute hippo with big eyes. Do you see how they are hiding? Now it's the turn of the playful monkey that loves to be naughty. How was the drawing so far? Here are the little feet that can be seen from behind the drawing notebook. Are you ready to start coloring? The mix of blue and a little pink is a good choice for this baby monkey. Screen for a baby crocodile. For the hippo, gray and a little pink can be attractive. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video.